Yo, what's up guys? So this is a horizontal histogram and I want to show you how to create this in C and print this out in the console. It's pretty cool. You can track how many letters are found in the string and then print out this little bar right here. So let's roll. So we need to create the file. You can just do histogram underscore h.c in Sublime. Open this puppy up and we need to include standard IO, and let's do a little main right here, and then up top we're gonna create the histogram function, and it's just gonna be a const char with the string. And then down here, let's say, okay, so let's say we want to call this with our string, right? So we could do hello world blah 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 tilde symbol space Nick loves programming, I like cupcakes and keyboards. I don't know, some random shit like this. So that looks good, right? Well, up here is where the magic happens. So you want to come up here and we need to store this data somehow, right? So we could just create a little an array of ints. So we could do like int count 256 and initialize those puppies to 0, and then we need to go through each character in the string. So we're going to do while stir, and then we're going to do count stir, increment the pointer right there, and then increment the value. So let's say this right here is A, so this gets converted into 97, and then that value at the 97 index gets incremented by 1. So it's a cool little way to track stuff. So down here we can do int c equals 32, and then c is less than or equals to 126 c++, and if this does not continue right here, and then down here we could do printf and a little pipe right here, and then just have whatever character. Then down here we can do in I equals 0, I can't speak, less than that, and then we need to print out the bar. So right here we could just do put char. You could do 35, but just do a little pound symbol like this, and then down here we can print out how many was actually found. So count.c. So let's execute this puppy, and I think I have everything right. So let's do gcc horizontal, or nah, histogram h.c. Alright, let's see what we get. Oh, that's cool. Let me make that bigger. Oh, nice. Okay, so let's look at the tilde, or actually let's look at the e's right here. So let's make the e's a little bit more. So let's say we got a bunch of e's, bunch of spaces. Okay, let's go. 29. Let's go. So we can also add colorization to this. We can add percentage on each one. Like we could use ANSI escape codes, a whole bunch of shit that we could do. So this is pretty cool, and I just want to share. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.